Hi guys, welcome back to EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is a new season of FIFA Mobile, but no more FIFA Mobile game. So this is a brand new EA Sport FC Mobile. So this is the new season. So we have to tap the news first. This is a campaign. Welcome to FC Mobile campaign. So kick off new season with welcome to FC Mobile event. So there are some event here. Play match and skill games and earn new player for your starter squads. So let's get to the campaigns. Before I talk about new challenger, make sure you already claim this gift, special gift. Like maybe you can get Benzema, or maybe like me, I'm get shafted and get a silver player base, like 70 rating. Also, I got shafted in this League on players. Maybe you are lucky than me. You get Mbappe, maybe. Or you have to play this kick off. Also, you can get legendary player or get the coins. Garincha, the top of reward and Eusebio. And I want to show you this. Collect all puzzle pieces to unlock the reward. And this is the possible rewards. You can get Benzema, Declan Rice, Ronaldo, and many more. This is like icon player of their team, and also they are wonderkid like Colomwani, Tonali also. And what you need to do is just collect all puzzle. You have to play this pieces one. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and you have to be patient because it's unlocked in 23 days. This is the final pieces. So for these days, you have to play this first. Pieces 1. And after you unlock this, you can get this feature top transfer player. Like Nkuku, this is a possible reward. And maybe I want this guy, Milankovic Savic. It's good player. Thank you for watching. Challenge yourself and collect all the pieces of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.